Okay, so we have our site built already with Google Site. Now let us create a footer for our site. So when creating a footer, one thing you should understand is that your site should have important links at your footer. It should have important links on your footer. It should have your brand identity at the footer and your contact details, your social media handles. These are some of the things that should be on your footer. So you can also create a footer with Google Sites. So when you go to the bottom, hover over it, you will see add footer. So you just click on it, and then first things, let us add our logo. So let's assume TPL is it's our logo. So just write TPL, and then we don't need it to be small text. We need it to be heading, heading, and then we change the font to something around 20 is okay. 20 is okay. We just make it bold exactly, and this looks perfect. All right, so now we add our contact details. We can add our contact details here. We just click add contact us. We don't need it to be small text. We need it to be something like heading or subheading. Subheading is okay. And then let's add our details here. We'll say contact us. Let's add our phone number. First of all, change the font to something like Open Sans Medium. No, Open Sans, we use a small, Open Sans normal. So plus 23480. You just say plus 234 8056789 123. All right. Then we can add an address, but then we have multiple address. So let's just add maybe the head address, say number 2, this street, Lagos, Nigeria, and we extend this. All right, so now we add our social media links. Now this is one of the downsides of Google Sites, is that it doesn't have icons for you to add social media links. So this is what I advise you do. So let's add follow us. We don't need it to be small text, we need to be subheading. Yeah, it's okay. Perfect this way. It's just perfect. Let's extend it a bit. And then under it, we add Instagram. I like to add a couple of spaces. We add Facebook. Then we add Instagram, Facebook, let's say TikTok. Whereas I guess that's good enough. So Twitter. I don't think a majority of barber shop will not be on Twitter. So let's just stop at TikTok. And then this is what I advise you do. Let's add more spaces in between. So it's all right. So you double click on this. Let's change the font for everything. Normal. Make it normal. No. When adding social media links, I advise you use Career New. Career New is one of the fonts here, and it's really amazing for this purpose. So just look at it here, Career New. So it really serves the purpose. Just stretch it exactly. So we double click and then add a link to the Instagram page. Let's say instagram.com/this is Onyx. That is my Instagram handle. And then add the link www.facebook.com/this is Onyx. Then TikTok as well. We'll add www. Oh, that's too many W's. TikTok.com/at this is Onyx. Okay, so we're good. So this is preferable. We just have it here. Then we can change the colors of those. If we don't want to change the color, we can also leave it that way. This font needs to be Open Sans normal. Exactly. All right. So there we have it. We have our logo. We have our contact details, our address. We have our social media handles. Now let's preview this site and see what it looks like on a desktop computer. Okay. Awesome. 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 This is very amazing. TPL Gabas. So our services, yeah, our location. This is what it looks like on the desktop computer. And then I noticed this video seems to be too big. So this video is too big, so we'd have to work on that video. But then this is how to add a footer. Did we check the footer? Let's go check the footer out. Exactly, the footer appears very well. So let's see how it appears on a mobile phone. All right, so this is how it appears on the mobile phone. It is good. So Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, these are our social media handles. And then there's something we forgot to add. Let us add this. Let us add one more layer. We'll add the copyright symbol. So let's go get the copyright symbol. Sorry, I have it. I have it. I have it. Okay, my history. I guess I've used the copyright symbol before. All right, so copyright TPL Baba 2022. Sorry, 2022. And then we change the font to something readable. Open Sans Light. No, that doesn't work. We use Open Sans normal. Yes, this is a lot better. We centralize this. All right, so this looks good. Now let's preview it again. Perfecto. All right, so now we've added our footer. Thank you for going through this video. So I'll see you in the next.